Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, not also in the yesterday's newspaper, because the yesterday's newspaper is on Saturday, December the 18th, 2021, and today it's actually Sunday. We don't receive any newspaper, so I have decided not decided in the yesterday's newspaper there was no extra puzzles, so I decided to continue with the puzzles left in the Tuesday edition of October the 26th 2021, and I've also already solved three puzzles today: the 1 star, the 2 stars, the binary, and now it's the time for the last puzzle, Tectonic with 1 star. All right, and this will be number. Let me see. This will be number 3853. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Well, for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always the one. I see here a single box, always a 1. More single boxes? No. Then the following question, do we have here dual boxes? Dual boxes. No, I cannot see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And when you see a triple box, remember the box, the inside box, or the box near the middle box. This is the middle box. Could be only the 4 or a 5. Alright. Triple box. Only one? Yeah. Can see any triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. Well, this box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this quadra box for the number 4. Okay. Here we have also a quadra box. Well, these two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, more quadra boxes? No. Then the following. Oh, here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Here we have the L shape. Well, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same name as that box. So this box has always the same name as that box. Do we have more L shape here? Upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. More L shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Wait. Yeah, this shape. Oh, here we have an L shape. Overlooked. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay, then the following shape. T shape. The T shape or the T figure. Alright. Remember the T shape. If you see the T shape, this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also That box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Okay. This shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the last shape or figure that you need to recognize is that one. Let me draw this here. Okay. Here we have that shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4. There are more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4. Okay, then why do you need to recognize those shapes? Well, the next step is it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left for the numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be a 5, this box. This box should be a 1, and it's connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 1 box left in this area for number 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. Alright, I think this box should be also a 5, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be 4, yeah. Should be a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Here the same. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 and 4, okay. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those, 1 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 1 or a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, yeah. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes in this area should be for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it cannot be a 3. Should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be, I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. But it cannot be a 5 anymore. So this box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 5. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1. Should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay. Alright. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L shape for number 4. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3, but now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Well. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. Well. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. We have a 2, one of those 2 boxes. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4 in one of those 2 boxes? And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this L-shaped area. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I'm missing a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this T-shaped area. Here we have a 1 on a 4. So these 2 boxes should be a 2. That means that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Wow, difficult. 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. Now these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So this box can be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 4. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. Okay. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Okay, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. The 3, I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 50 minutes. A little bit slower, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.